regulations. But the truth is that is already under attack in the courts, many courts around the country, and it's going to get to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has not yet ruled on the constitutionality of that. There are also other challenges to the Affordable Care Act that are unrelated to the contraceptive.
There we go. Been waiting a while for that.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for North County in Central Columbia County in South Central Wisconsin, Southwestern Fond du Lac County in East Central Wisconsin until 5:45 p.m. At 5:13 p.m., severe thunderstorm was located over Randolph, 8 miles west of Beaver Dam, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and heavy size hail. So radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Beaver Dam, Waupun, Mayville, Horicon, Randolph, Fall River, Theresa, Cambria, Burnett, Fox Lake, Alto, Friesland, Kankakee, Astico, South Beaver Dam, Noblesman, Oak Center, Ladoga, and Atwater. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Once the Supreme Court said there was